what's up? So today we are going to be playing around with some new makeup. It is the scented L'Oreal Peach Scented eyeshadow palette. I'm excited about that. And then I picked up two of the scented peach blushes as well. So I'm excited to play around with this, see how it works, see if it doesn't work. You know, we're going to find out because I have not tried it yet. If you have not subscribed already, then please go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload. And also don't forget to give this video a big like. I would love that also. So yeah, I'm going to zoom in. So, I think first thing I'm going to play around with is the blush first. I think for this look I'm gonna go with what color is this? This one is 190 Bashful. Here's what it looks like. I'm just gonna be taking my IT Cosmetics brush here. It does apply a little bit of a sheen to the cheeks, which I'm okay with. I don't mind shimmery blushes. I don't mind it. And the smell is just really good. I love that about these products that they have came out with. Alrighty, so I have forgotten to do swatches of the eyeshadow palette, so I will swatch these and go ahead and insert a quick clip of it, and that way you guys will know what it will look like. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to take just this real good nude shade here and just kind of like set my eyes. I think I'm gonna take this light color here, this light brown, and just work that into the crease. I think I'm going to take a little bit of this brown right beside it to try to deepen up the crease color. I am having some fallout, so that's okay with me. I don't mind fallout, but if you guys don't like fallout, I am going to warn you that there is some fallout with this palette. Alrighty, those colors seem to blend really good together, so I'm not hating that. Alrighty, let's see where I'm gonna take this brush here, this really angled brush, and I'm gonna go in with this other brown shade down here to kind of create a wing. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend that over and work that color into my crease. That worked better than I thought it would. Okay. This shade has kind of got some burgundy into it, so I am loving that. I'm a big burgundy fan. If you guys, I don't know if you knew that or not, but it's like my second favorite color, burgundy is. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go in with this hot pink color here, and I'm just gonna apply that all over to the lid. It's got some good color here. I am loving this peach shade here with these browns, and I am so thrilled that this palette has got some really good color pigment payoff. Like, yes please, drugstore, thank you very much. Alright, Not bad. Not hating. Then I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that crease color to kind of blend all these colors together. And I'm gonna work that just a little bit higher up onto the brow bone almost. Alright, then I'm going to take some setting spray. I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner. I think I'm gonna go with this top white shade. Oh, look at that highlight. Yes, please. Then I'm just going to take this other fluffy brush I was using to highlight my brow bone. So that is the finished eye look. I'm not gonna, I don't know, should I apply a liner? I don't know, it looks really good. I'm kind of digging the natural eye look with this palette. This palette is a must if you like peach scented things, and if you just like, I think this was, I'm not gonna say how much this was because I can't remember. I want to say it was like $10, $12. I really enjoyed using it, and I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.